Imagine a world so intricately interconnected that every being is pivotal to the natural harmony. This is ecological balance, a tapestry of life where every thread is crucial, woven by the interplay of species and their environments. But balance inherently suggests the possibility of disruption. So begins our journey to grasp the essence of this balance and our role in preserving it. It's a narrative of symbiotic existence, a testament to the significance of each choice and action we make as they ripple through the web of life. Join us as we explore the biodiversity that sustains this balance and unravel the conservation efforts aimed at protecting this fragile equilibrium. It is the vibrant mosaic of biodiversity that underpins our ecological balance, hosting a symphony of life in diverse ecosystems. We observe the critical roles of even the smallest organisms, from bees pollinating flowers to fungi enriching soil. Yet when species begin to vanish, the stability of our ecology is jeopardized. This segment invites us to appreciate nature's diversity and consider the gravity of its potential decline. We'll explore how each species, no matter its size, is a cornerstone of ecological integrity, and how our actions have the power to either maintain or disrupt this fragile dance. The footprint of humanity has indelibly marked our planet, often disturbing its natural rhythms. Our demand for resources spurs ecological imbalance, reflected in deforestation, endangered species, and polluted waters. These disruptions are not just abstract concepts, they pose urgent questions about our future. Yet there is hope. As we press on, we will discover initiatives aiming at restoration and renewal, offering insights into the transformative power of conservation and how, collectively, we can help nature reclaim its harmonious cadence. The loss of a single species can unravel the intricate web of life, leading to a cascade of ecological repercussions. A world where the chorus of birds falls silent hints at a future we must strive to prevent. In this chapter, we'll understand the impact of such imbalances and discover ways we can pivot towards ecological restoration. It's a narrative that reveals our potential to rectify the discord, showing that the equilibrium we've disturbed can indeed be mended with commitment and action. Conservation is both a commitment to the future and a testament to our ability to aid nature's recovery. We celebrate success stories that shine as beacons of resilience, from flourishing sanctuaries to rangers protecting our forests' integrity. These efforts form a symphony of actions vital to the resurgence of life. As we draw ever closer to our story's climax, these successes inspire us to maintain this positive momentum, marching towards a future where sustainable practices are integral to our daily lives. Sustainable living embodies the harmony we strive to maintain with nature, embracing practices that align with the Earth's natural rhythms. We discover the collective impact of individual actions through organic farming, waste reduction, and energy efficiency. These choices are central threads in the tapestry of a sustainable future. Reflect upon the everyday decisions that foster a healthy, vibrant planet following our climactic revelations, and let's continue this transcendent journey towards a narrative of renewal. The final chapter of our story acknowledges the potency of collective action in achieving ecological balance. Every thoughtful choice contributes to a greener legacy, whether recycling, conserving water, or supporting community initiatives. These seemingly small steps ignite significant change, fueling paths toward sustainability. As we conclude, remember the collaborative drive to protect our planet starts with you. By treading responsibly, we craft a legacy, ensuring the beauty of nature endures for generations to follow. Our exploration of life's delicate balance underscores the resonating impact of our choices. Now, we must embrace the role of stewards, safeguarding the biodiversity that fuels the complexity of our world. From individual efforts to global initiatives, every action matters. The legacy we create today determines the future our descendants will enjoy. Be the agent of balance and change, translating our shared knowledge into action that forges a sustainable world. Let this narrative inspire your commitment as guardians of Earth's harmony.